Hey guys, Ultimate Toy Collector here. Today we're going to take a look at the Mezco 112 Collective Popeye figure. Now this is the first figure that they're releasing. There is another one that's going to have an alternate outfit, right? A variant outfit. This was definitely a surprise when people saw that Mezco was going to be producing a Popeye 112 figure because, I mean, who was really thinking that we actually needed a Popeye figure? But in actuality, we really did. So here, let's take a look. This is our box figure, our regular window style packaging. This is one of the larger boxes. You see we have an anchor on the side here. And let's turn this so we can take a look at the box. So on the back here we have images of our Popeye figure. It comes with 6 pipes. It comes with a compass glass, spyglass, and 2 spinach cans, 2 interchangeable heads, and 3 interchangeable hats. It comes with this base with an adjustable post and posing post and a duffel bag and 7 interchangeable hands. So this figure really comes with a lot of extra accessories, which is really cool. And I mean, this is the figure that we didn't know that we really needed for our collection. So we're gonna open this bad boy up. Let's take a look here. You can see everything here on the inside of the box. You got one of our heads here. Got hats, hands, our little spy glasses, pipes, spinach. You got everything there. This is phenomenal. Let's open them up, take a look. So here we have our Popeye out of the package. So first off, let's take a look at this head sculpt here. So this head sculpt is a grumpy old dude that's had his jaw smacked a few times, and he's been out at sea for quite a while, and it's just a very ugly sculpt, but beautiful at the same time. And looking at it, like I said, this is the figure that I didn't even know that I needed in my collection, but once I saw it, I needed it, if that makes any sense. So there's several hats. There's 3 hats. Both of the heads have a magnetic piece on it that works like so. So when you slap it on there, it just works just like that. It's one hat. Let's put that there. Let's find another one. Got another hat here. Like so. This isn't the first time that Mezco has done the little magnet thing. And this one's nothing more than a little Scully. I like the Scully the best. One of my favorite. It's a tight fit, tight like a tiger. So we have a little Popeye bag that you can lace up, throw over his shoulder. You know, he's been out at sea for a while. Let's put that extra head over here. What else do we got? We got a trench coat. Trench coat's pretty cool. Try to put that on him later. See how that fits. Got a little Velcro piece on the inside. He comes with 6 pipes. Comes with 3 without a little smokestack and 3 with. I looked at these and I tried to see like what the difference was, or if I could tell if there was a difference, but I really couldn't. And I think it's just because Mezco knows that we're going to either break these or lose them. So they gave us a few extra. Because it's pretty cool. I mean, can you see that? going to close these back up in here so I don't lose them. These are definitely always going to stay in that. What else? There's a little watch piece. Put that right there. This little looking glass. Now, it does not collapse. For those of you that want to know, it does not collapse. But it almost looks like you could look right through it. We got some cans of spinach. I feel like I should look through my daughter's Barbies and see if she has any extra cans. So there's a unopened can. Then here's a can that he crushed the shit out of and ate his spinach. Spinach 1, spinach 2. Put that there. And so the last things that we have to take a look at, one of them would be his base, his display base, which is pretty cool. It's a little anchor piece. And the next would be his hands. So if you didn't notice, I just dropped the piece. If you didn't notice, his forearms are amazingly thick, and his hands are like gorilla hands. And if you look at these hands here, you can see he's a man that's been out at the sea, been working on the docks, on the boats. He's got some dirty hands, some dirty nails. Ladies, make him wash his hands before olive oil, make him wash them hands. Don't want a UTI. He's got these big gorilla hands. And he's got one finger to point at you. I'm gonna shove my foot where the sun don't shine. Them hands are huge. So we'll put that there. So now, since we've looked at all the accessories, let's look at the figure. So here's the face again. There we go. He's ugly, but he is Popeye. 100% he is Popeye. Now I'm going to see if I try to gently open this. And let's see right here. I had it upside down, but I did have it in right. Alright, so it was fitting momentarily. There we go. There's a small little hole inside of his mouth where you can put the pipe, and it will stay in there. I'm just going to take that out, put that there. Now, the figure itself, good quality, good sculpting. Forearms, let's look here. Looks like he has a homemade tattoo there, homemade anchor on his forearms. Again, the sculpt, paint apps, phenomenal. He has a long neck, pretty easy to change out the head. Alright, and Popeye usually did have a long neck, so it does fit him. Head changes out easily. Articulation wise, get the arms up. He has good range of motion. Even the legs. Let's try here. Legs have good range of motion, not too stiff. He's got his boots on here. Rotation at the ankle, and got an ankle pivot there. Pretty good at the hips, ball joints at the hips. He has a little ab crunch. Now, I have seen some pictures. Look at those abs. Living off of spinach every day. He has a good ab crunch. I've seen pictures with the shirt off, but honestly, I was trying to take the shirt off, and I'm afraid I'll either break the arm or rip the shirt. So I'm not going to really try to get that off. I have the jacket, so I'm going to try to put that on. But I'm not going to try and take the shirt off. Even though I did want to do like some shirtless poses with them, that I'm gonna kind of save. So let's see with the hands here. So the hands, I am able to change that pretty easy. Let's see if we could, is this one of the spinach gripping hands? Let's see. There you go. Grips it pretty good. Let's put his hat on. This is by far one of my favorite figures right now. As I said, I didn't think this was going to be a figure that I'd really want or need so much. But after really seeing it in hand and having it in hand, definitely a figure that I'm happy to have purchased and have in my array of figures. Let's see. So here we go. Let's get this on. It really reminds me. My daughter, she'll undress her Barbies. And she'll be like, "Daddy, I need you to dress them back." I'm like, "Daddy doesn't put clothes on dolls." She's like, "Well, I can't either." I'm like, "Well, your dolls are going to sit naked." And guess who ends up dressing them? Daddy. So this kind of reminds me of that, except for, now if I don't do it, he's not going to have a jacket on. So who can I complain to? I got to do it myself. Alright. I guess I have practice on putting some clothes on these figures. Alright, I got the arm in there a little tighter than I'd like. Not gonna really play with it too much because, let's keep it real, I don't want to break this. But he is in there. There we go. Not my favorite pose on him, but not bad either. Jacket is a little bit tight. I think I just need to work on that as far as putting the jacket on. Overall, it looks good on him. Just my little issue putting the jacket on. Let's take that off. A lot easier taking it off than was putting them on. I feel that too. Alright, there we go. So here is our Popeye. Sorry for playing around with it so much. Trying to get it just right. Especially that jacket there just kind of threw me off. Popeye, by far, one of my favorite figures this year. Now, there is another one. There's a white suit variant that we will be reviewing. I think that should have been the first one. I don't know why Mezco did this version first, but nonetheless, I guess it was feeling out how much people would really like the figure, and then they released the second one. So I do have both. I will be reviewing the other one, and we'll do a little side by side. So thanks for checking me out, guys. Check me out on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, Twitter occasionally. And actually Instagram we kind of got rid of. So Cool Dad Pop Culture Reviews, Toy News International, thank you as always. And we will be at Toy Fair in just a week. Hopefully we'll see you guys there. And or hopefully you guys will follow our coverage. And as always, like the video, leave a comment, share it. Until next time, happy hunting.